Hey guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Everything Technical. This is Deepak. So in this video we will see how we can configure Linux machine key based authentication and username password based authentication. For example, if we have a ec2 instance on AWS, that time if we are taking the access of that ec2 instance, that time we have to put the key file name, then we will be able to take the access of the ec2 instance. And if we have for example, if we have a normal server, the user are taking the access using just ssh username password based authentication, that we want to do the configuration like normal servers can be accessible by uh, key based authentication, and the AWS server we can also take, like we want to configure something and we can take that access as a username password based authentication. So what we have to do for that, we will see in this video, and where we have to configure. So okay, before I started this video, I want you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my channel Everything Technical, and also please press the bell icon to get the new video notification. And also if you have any query, any suggestion related to the video, so please do comment below the video. So let's start with the video. Okay, so here I'll just take the access. Now here I'm using this command to take the access of AWS EC2 instance. Now here I have put the key file name, and then this is simply a key based authentication, that EC2 instance. I just want do some configuration by that user. If user give username and password, that time also he will be able to take the access. So for that, what I have to do, first I'll go ahead, I'll be a sudoers in this. Okay, just go ahead, something happened. Okay, now I'm a root, so I'll use a command add user. I'll create a new user in the name of Deepak. I'll provide the password for this user. Okay, so I'll put the password, retype the password. Okay, so I have created a user has been created successfully. So I just want to take the access. Okay, it is already. So if I want to take the access of the same server using this, I just want to make some configuration to take the access like this. So right now you can see this is permission deny, user already created but it is not able to take the access. So for this, what I have to do, quickly I'll just do this. Go to this path etc ssh. Inside the ssh there will be a sshd underscore config. This is the file. In this file we have to make some changes. So you can see I'll be on a top. If I am opening it first time, so I'll be on a top. That time I'll have to go where, here I have to come and I'll have to do some changes. So here, to disable tunnel clear text password, change to no here. Okay, so for here we have a password authentication. Yes, that line is commented, and in down the side last line is a password authentication, that is no. Because of this, why I'm not able to take the access as a username and password base. So I'll do the, and I'll just enter change. I just put it this. After doing this much configuration also only, I'll just take reload of sshd service. I'm just reloading this service. After reloading service, I'll just check this, if I'll be able to take the access of this server or not using username and password. Now you can see it is asking for password. Now you can see I'm able to take the access of the same server using only username and password. So this is the configuration, how we can take the access, like what configuration we have to do in the server. By that we can just create that server as a username password based authentication. Now both are working, as a key based authentication also working, and username password based authentication both are working. If we want to for example, forget about what I have taken this access through the key file, just remember, just guess only, just what we can say, just assume the server is only username password base. Now you want to just configure it through if user want to take the access, that time user have to put the provide key file. So for that, what we have to do, same as go to the same file. In the same file we will get the option. So here you can see the option. Maybe this line would be commented on that server, so this line you need to be uncomment authorized key file. This will be a path, just put this path. And what next, in above you can see host key, host key, host keys. There is 3 type of host key that should be uncommented. Once it will be uncommented, that time you will be able to take the access through the key based authentication and the username password based authentication. This is the video about how we can configure and how we can take the access, what we have to configure basically. If you like, please do comment, do like my videos and share with your friends who having this kind of requirement. And yes, thank you for watching my videos.